Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel The Passion. Today we will talk about art integrated project for standard 3 of CBSE board. I made this project for my son who is studying in third class, and the topic for this year was that a comparative study of between state of Himachal Pradesh and Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. We also learned it that both of these UTs have been merged as a one entity. So it was comparison between the between Himachal Pradesh and this combined union territory. So on the first page, I just pasted maps of Himachal Pradesh and Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The first task was related to mathematics, and the activity here was to identify all the geometrical shapes and patterns and then list down the symmetrical shapes out of it. So I took some photographs of Himachali dresses, typical Himachali dresses, and we identified the patterns and shapes in it. And yeah, you can see the different shapes like square plus triangle, zigzag patterns, and all. And my son listed down the symmetrical figures here. Same thing we did for Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So what I found is Varli art is one of the main art of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, which you can find on their clothes and also on the different fabrics there. So we did the same thing here. And also Gujarati dresses are the part of culture of this union territory. So it also has a similar kind of patterns like circles, squares, triangles. That was the first activity. The next one was for EVS, environmental science, and here the task was to identify two traditional food items and list down their ingredients, which is very interesting. So Himachal Pradesh, as I belong to Himachal Pradesh, so I know the prominent dishes from here are two of the prominent dishes which I mentioned are the chana madra, which is basically the chickpeas cooked in curd, and the siddu, which is more like fermented dough, and it is steamed up, and we put some fillings in it. The next dish belongs to Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, that is umbadiu, also called ubadiu, which is mixture of the different vegetables, the dried ones served with chutney, and also khatta mitha bhat, which is rice cooked uh, with a lot of spices and which is flavored as sugary and salty. We also put some additional dishes belongs to Daman and Diu, which is fish fulivada and a curry. I myself don't prefer non-vegetarian, so we will not go into details. The next task was Hindi, and here the activity was to make traditional dresses of these regions out of waste paper or cloth, the waste cloth. So here is what I made for Himachal Pradesh traditional dress of Gaddi tribe, and Dadra Nagar Haveli. We just put up Gujarati dress because that is Gujarati culture is the integral part of their culture as well. And also Daman and Diu has Portuguese culture, so the Portuguese dresses are also the key part of their tradition. The last thing here was English, and here the activities was to identify five English words and then write them in the language of Himachal Pradesh and also Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So identify the five keywords in English and then write down what they are called in Himachali Pahari language and also in Gujarati and Portuguese language, which are the two main languages of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. And that's all. Hope you guys like this comparative study and keep watching our channel for more such videos. Thank you.